Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to connect any AI tool to Excel for advanced research. So let's start with the first one, which is to install AI add-ins from the Office store. So open the Microsoft Excel 365, so you can use this in desktop or the web version, and click on the Insert tab in the ribbon at the top. And then look for the Get Ads In button, and then clicking it opens the Office Add-ins dialog. Now, in the search bar, just type in the name of the AI tool that you want to integrate. Let's say, for example, ChatGPT for Excel, Claude for Excel, Gemini Sheets AI, or Microsoft Copilot. So you can add each add-ins, shows a description, ratings, and an add button. So click add for the tools that you need, and then Excel will just install the add-in within seconds. So you will also see a new icon appear in the ribbon. So this is the foundation for everything else. So without an add-in, Excel cannot directly call AI APIs. Next up is connect your AI API key securely. Now, after installing your AI add-in, click its icon in the ribbon to open the side panel on the right of your spreadsheet. So you will be asked to enter an API key. For ChatGPT, this looks like SK-project-. So you will get this from the platform.openai.com. And then for Cloud AI, you can get your key from console.anthropic.com. For Gemini, you can use Google AI Studio. And then most add-ins also let you choose which model to authenticate. Which model to use. So for GPT-4, Claude 3.5, Sonnet, or Gemini 2.0. So from a drop-down menu, you can click the Connect button to authenticate, and then the API key is stored locally in your add-in settings and never shared with Microsoft. So your spreadsheet is now wired up to a powerful AI brain. Next is use custom AI formulas in cells. So now the magic happens. You can call AI directly from a cell using a custom formula. For example, type AI and then summarize this company, and into a cell B2, and Excel will send the company name in A2, like for example Tesla Inc, to your AI model and return a written summary in B2. Now you can drag this formula down hundreds of rows, and Excel will run the AI on every single row in parallel. Now you can also do things like classify the sentiment of and A2. For sentiment analysis or AI, you can also extract this email from, and for data extraction, this turns Excel into an automated research engine that can process thousands of rows in minutes. Next step is build a multi-sheet research workbook. So for serious research projects, you can organize your work across multiple sheets in the same workbook. So you can create tabs at the bottom like companies, your raw list, market analysis, AI generated industry data, competitor research. You can type in AI extracted competitor info, and AI outputs, final summaries. So use conditional formatting with green or red color coding to highlight key metrics. For example, color sells green when revenue grows above 20% and red when it shrinks. So you can build pivot tables and bar charts on the top of the AI generated data to visualize patterns. So this workflow lets you go from a list of companies' name and to a full competitive analysis in under an hour. Lastly is automate recurring research with Power Automate. So to take this even further, you can use Microsoft Power Automate So, built into Office 365 to schedule AI research that runs automatically. So, you can open Power Automate, create a new flow with a schedule trigger every hour or every Monday 9 a.m. Then, you can also add action when new row added to your Excel file. And then just connect the flow to OpenAI or Claude through their official connectors, and then run an AI analysis on the new data and update the cell back in the Excel. So this means that a new companies or new survey responses get automatically enriched with AI insights without you lifting a finger. So it's the closest thing to a fully autonomous research assistant you can build today. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!